Now let's get into filtering. So with filtering, you're kind of it's a kind of sorting, but in a way you're trying to tell your data set that this is the particular information that I am interested in. I don't want you to give me everything. I just want you to give me the ones that I am interested in. These are the specific information that I'm interested in. Every other thing, don't give me information on that. So usually with filtering, you filter by column when you're filtering, and that means that you can filter multiple columns depending on what it is that you want to see. So let's use, for example, I am interested in seeing data for people who have high school diploma and have public insurance. Let's say that is the participants that I'm interested in. This is what I want my data set to show me. So I click on this icon that looks like a funnel, and when I click on it, what will happen? Sorry, I just a minute. Need to click on that. Sorry. Okay, so I've clicked on that, and what happens is I get this downward pyramid looking thing. That is what I would use for my filtering. So, like I said, I'm interested in knowing how many of my participants have high school diploma and also have insurance policy. So I will click on this and I unselect everything and just choose high school diploma, and I will click yes. And so you see my information has been filtered out to only include participants with high school diploma. But let's say it's not just, I don't want to stop at high school diploma. I want to know you have high school diploma and you have insurance, public insurance. Then I would go to type of insurance, and I can, clear everything and select public and just click OK. And I find out that out of my 21 participants, only three of them have high school diploma as the highest level of education and have public insurance. So I see that information is right here. Everybody else that is not doesn't have a high school diploma as the highest level of education and don't have public health insurance, everybody has been filtered out. So that is how filtering works. And if I want, so now I've gotten the information I want. Now I want to go back and, tell it to give me back the data set that I had. Just remove all of that filter. All I have to do is just to click on the funnel again, and the filtering is gone. So that is how that happens with the filtering. It's pretty very simple and straightforward. So now let me do that with Excel to kind of show you guys how it works with Excel. It's very similar with how it works with Google Sheet, but let me just show you guys what that looks like with Excel. All right, so this is Excel, and to filter, uh, this you hear that says sort and filter, but I'm not interested in the sorting. I'm just interested in the filtering. So I need to go and click on it and select sorting. Sorry, select filtering. My apologies. And then you see what I have is an arrow that shows it, and let's say I'm still interested in only seeing high school diploma and healthcare policy. And what I want to do now is if I click on the select all, everything is gone, so that I just click on what it is that I am interested in. And if I wanted everything, I just have to click everything, but I'm just interested in the high school diploma. Rather than having to select it one after the other, I can just unselect and select high school diploma. Okay, and go to the type of insurance once again, unselect everything and click on public. And okay, so yeah, that is how that works with the Excel and Google Sheet. Very very similar in the way that they sort and they filter. So I will this concludes that for the first learning objective. So have a lovely day. Bye.